Ever get tired of eye strain from regular tablets? Or feeling distracted by glare and blue light? Reading on glossy screens just isn't comfortable. I used to juggle notebooks, e-readers, and tablets. My desk was cluttered and my workflow a mess. Switching devices for notes, books, and sketches? Frustrating. But then I found the Boox Note Air 4C. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. It's a 10.3-inch e-ink tablet with color e-paper. The Kaleido 3 screen shows 4,096 colors, super vibrant. Text is crisp with 300 ppi black and white resolution. Color content pops at 150 ppi, great for comics and notes. The flat glass screen feels premium and smooth. It supports both stylus and finger touch. The Boox stylus has 4,096 pressure levels, so precise. Sketch, annotate, or write naturally, like on paper. Powered by an octa-core CPU, it's fast and responsive. 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. Plenty of room for everything. Connect easily with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1. Front light with warm and cold modes. Read day or night. Auto rotation thanks to the built-in G sensor.
It runs Android 1.3. Install your favorite apps.
Supports tons of document formats. PDF, EPUB, DOCX, and more. View images, listen to audio, MP3, WAV, PNG, JPG, TIFF. Even open zip files and comics like CBR or CBZ. There's a power button with fingerprint recognition, secure and quick. USB-C port for charging, OTG, or audio. Expandable storage with microSD card slot. Dual speakers and a built-in microphone for audio notes. The 3,700 mAh battery lasts for days. It's just 5.8 millimeters thin and weighs only 420 g. Super portable, slips right into my bag. Let me show you how I use it daily. I start my morning reading news, no glare, even outside. Highlight articles and jot notes with the stylus. Switch to reviewing PDFs for work, smooth scrolling. Annotate slides or documents directly on the screen. Need a break? I sketch ideas in color. The stylus feels natural, pressure sensitivity is amazing. Hop into a video call with built-in microphone. Listen to podcasts or music with dual speakers. At night, I adjust the front light, warm and comfy. No more eye fatigue, even after hours of reading. Switch between portrait and landscape. Auto rotation is seamless. Organize all my notes and books in one place. Install third-party apps for productivity or creativity. Use the fingerprint sensor for quick, secure access. Charge once, use for days. Battery life is impressive. Expand storage with a microSD card for even more files. Share documents easily via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Take handwritten notes during meetings, no paper needed. Sync notes to the cloud for backup. Read comics in full color, so immersive. Edit Word docs or PowerPoints on the go. No lag, no stutter, multitasking is smooth. Travel light, just the Boox Note Air 4C and stylus. It's perfect for students, professionals, and creatives. Great for reading, writing, drawing, and organizing. No more switching between devices. One does it all. The color e-paper is easy on the eyes. If you love reading and note-taking, you'll love this. It's a digital notebook, e-reader, and sketchpad in one. Boost your productivity and creativity effortlessly. Stay organized and inspired wherever you go. Ready to upgrade your reading and note-taking experience? Try the Boox Note Air 4C today. Experience vibrant color e-paper and smooth writing. Say goodbye to cluttered desks and tired eyes. All your documents, notes, and sketches, one sleek device. Don't wait. Discover the future of digital notebooks. Check out the Boox Note Air 4C now.